Hello good people. Welcome to the Elegant Mart channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 3D printers. We tried to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. We just try to help you to find your best one. Okay, so let's get start with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Combro 3D printer. Add a tempered glass on the heated bed, which makes models are easier removed. It also makes the hot bed more flat. Ender 3X comes with several assembled parts. You only need about 2 hours to assemble 20 nuts well. Upgraded extruder greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion. V-shape with palm wheels make it move noiseless, smoothly and durable. Only needs 5 minutes for hotbed to reach 110°C. Strict testing for key components before delivery and lifetime technical supports. 5 more extra nozzles included. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Anycubic 3D printer. Super easy to set up since it comes almost entirely pre-assembled. Come with all the proper tools to get started. No worry about Z-wobble issue. The dual Z-axis rail make the bed very stable. With the UV upgraded lighting, it makes the resolution and the accuracy in your printing that much better and tighter than any other 3D printer in its class. Touchscreen. Offer a new level use experience. Sanded aluminum platform. Greatly enhance adhesion, make it more stable during printing. They are eager to give suggestions and advice for everyone to get the best of their Photon and Photon S. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Monoprice 3D printer. Auto calibration. The Delta design style continuously self-calibrates, so you will never have to struggle with bed leveling. Fully assembled. The MP Mini Delta 3D printer comes fully assembled, ready to print out of the box. Durable. The steel frame and black anodized aluminum frame makes this printer extremely durable and capable of withstanding some serious abuse. Open source. The print bed and extrusion nozzle heat to a wide range of temperatures. Professional quality prints. Up to 50 micron layer resolution. Can print from a computer using a wireless Wi-Fi or physical USB connection, or offline with a microSD card. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Elegoo 3D printer. Elegoo Mars comes with the latest version of Chichibox slicing software, which gives you extraordinary user experience. Chichibox allows you to hollow out your model before slicing, which could save your resin dramatically during photo curing process. 3.5-inch color touchscreen equipped with the latest Elegoo Chichibox 5.0 system makes it very easy for offline printing. Elegoo Mars uses a 2560x1442K HD masking LCD as to provide accurate printing with Z-axis resolution of 0.00185 inches, 0.047 millimeters. We provide total 1-year machine warranty, 5.5-inch 2K LCD and FEP film excluded. And if you have any questions regarding product operation or software, please feel free to contact us. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Combro 3D printer. Provide all-round protection to your 3D printer build plate and ensure consistent temperature throughout the build surface. Ender 3 Pro comes with a all-certified power supply, protecting your printer from unexpected power surges that can heat the hotbed to 110°C in just 5 minutes. Ender 3 Pro can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages. This easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, allowing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. Seality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer, lifetime technical assistance and 24 hours professional customer service. Please check the description for details and best price.